Dear parents, today we have given uh, the pre-writing skills, that is standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and slanting line. So we are going to let you know how they are going to write this in the notebook. Okay. So for the standing line, we'll start from the red line, and you can just put two dots on the red line and the blue line, and from the red line draw a straight line touching the blue line. Okay. So children will need help. Some will be able to recognize the lines, but for some children it will be difficult. So you can put two dots like this, and they will write it. Okay. So please don't hold their hands and write. Put dots and make them practice it. Okay. So if you're going to hold hands, they will never be able to write on their own. Okay. So like this you can do. Now, some children won't be able to write even if you put dots. So what you can use like a highlighter. Okay. Like very lightly you can draw, not like dark one. You can draw a light line. Okay. And you can tell them to overwrite on it. Okay. So like this you can make them write the standing line. Now coming to the sleeping line, you can, on the second blue line, we have two blue lines. On the second blue line you can make them, you can put two dots and you can tell them to join the lines like this. Okay. Like this you can put the two dots on the blue line and you can tell them to join. Okay. On the blue line. Okay. Okay. So I'm writing with the mouse, so it's little uh, okay. So like this you can make them. Similarly, if they're finding it difficult to draw with dots, you can draw a very light way. You can draw the line and tell them to overwrite it. Okay. Similarly, now we are coming to the slanting line. This is called the right slanting line because it starts from the right and goes to the left side. So you can put two dots and tell them to join right slanting line from the red line to the second blue line. Like this, you can put dots and tell them to write it. Okay. Okay. Next one, you can put the next slanting line is the left slanting line because it starts from the left. So it is called as the left slanting line. Okay. Like this, you can put the dots. You can write the left slanting line. Okay. Like this. Similarly, those who are not able to write, you can put a light line and tell them to overwrite it. Okay. Okay. Thank you.